Welcome to FlashBox. You're only one step away from setting up your account and getting started. Let's watch this short video and learn how to use the FlashBox Driver app. Access your driver profile. To access your profile section, simply tap on the menu icon located in the top left corner of the page, then tap on your name. This will open up your profile page, where you can view and edit your personal information. On your profile page, you have the option to change your profile picture. You can do this by either uploading an image from your device's library or taking a new photo. If you would like to update your password or login credentials, you have the option to do so in this section. Check the available routes. To check all the available routes, you must navigate to the Available Routes page. Here, you can find all the available routes grouped by delivery dates. You can find details of each route on the list, such as time slot, which is the specific time period during which the delivery needs to happen. Duration, estimated total delivery time. Earnings, total estimated earnings. Start location, the location from which you need to start your route. Type, it can be either drop off or pick up. For drop-off routes, you load the parcels at the FlashBox sorting facility and drop them off to the various recipients. For pickup routes, you need to pick up parcels from the merchants and bring them to the FlashBox sorting facility. You can refresh this page by pulling down the screen. Note that we offer our routes regularly during the mornings and evenings. Please ensure you check the app regularly and that your push notifications are enabled. Check the detail of a route. You can find all the additional details for each route by tapping the Route Detail button. On the Route Detail page, you have three views. Map View. On this view, you can find a map view with all the markers for different stops. List View. You can find all the stops in sequence on this view. You can also see if any stops require a signature, ID check, or age verification. We'll explain the delivery requirements in the complete delivery video. Summary. On this view, you can find information on the number of stops and parcels for each route. This information can be incredibly useful in helping you plan your journey and ensure that all parcels are delivered on time. How to accept a route. Once you have checked all details of a route, you can slide to accept the route and it will then be assigned to you. Once a route is accepted, there's no cancellation, so make sure that you thoroughly review all the details before accepting a route. If the route is cancelled, your acceptance rate will be affected. If you accept a route and an emergency happens, you can contact our support team to find a replacement driver. Complete a route. From the My Route screen, tap the Detail button of the route you need to complete. On the Route Detail screen, slide to start the route. First, you need to go to the sorting facility to scan and load the parcels. Tap the Start Driving button to navigate to the sorting facility. Once you have arrived at the sorting facility, tap to indicate you have arrived. Our sorting associates will then be notified of your arrival. Upon arrival, you can see the shelf number containing your parcels on the app. Find the shelf and start scanning and loading the parcels. If the QR code is unscannable, you can manually enter the code by tapping on the Manually Barcode button. Once all parcels are scanned and loaded, slide to complete the scanning and loading. To start driving to your first stop, tap the Start Driving button. On this screen, you can tap the Navigation button to navigate to your next stop and the app will automatically open your default navigation app. Note that you can change your default navigation app from the settings screen. Once you have arrived at your next stop, slide to indicate your arrival so that the recipient gets notified via SMS or email of your arrival. You'll need to scan the parcels that need to be delivered for this stop and you'll need to provide proof of deliveries based on the delivery requirements. How to fail a delivery. While completing your routes, you might face some situations where you won't be able to deliver the parcels. If you face any of the following situations, please follow these steps. Tap on the Help button on the top right corner of the app when you're at the recipient's location. Choose the most appropriate option that caused the failed delivery. If the address is incorrect or incomplete and the problem is unsolvable by contacting the recipient or the recipient isn't reachable, If it is a business location that is closed at the time of delivery. If the delivery is in an apartment building and you're unable to gain access, despite trying to call the recipient or buzzing yourself in. Note that if a signature is required or an ID check is needed, and the recipient is not present, you must fail the delivery and not leave it at their doorstep. The app will then allow you to proceed to your next stop. Proof of delivery. Once you have arrived at the drop-off location, it is important to ensure that you provide proof of delivery for each parcel. To do this, please follow the steps outlined below. Take a picture of the location you placed the parcel. Take a picture of the unit or house number. You also need to enter the unit or house number in this box. If the delivery has any requirements such as signature for in-person handoff, ID check, or age verification, please follow the steps below. Signature. You will be asked on the proof of delivery page to get the signature of the recipient. ID check. You will be asked to check the ID of the recipient and you need to enter the last 3 digits of the ID card in the ID card field. Age verification. You will be asked to check the ID of the recipient for their age and enter their year of birth in the corresponding field. Earnings page. You can check your daily, weekly, monthly, and historical earnings on this screen. You must connect your bank account to withdraw your earnings after each route. Simply tap on Add your bank account and follow the steps to set up your account. To connect your bank account to your FlashBox Driver app, you need your bank account information with the following details: transit number, financial institution number, and account number. Once your bank account is connected, you can use the payout button to withdraw your earnings directly to your bank account. Note that the payout is instant, but depending on your bank, processing times can take up to 3 business days for the funds to be available in your account. Application settings. On the settings page, you have 4 options. Troubleshooting. If you face any difficulties with the app, you can check this page to see the status of different components of the app such as GPS status, etc. Appearance. You can change the color of the app to dark mode if you prefer. Proxy servers. If you face any connection difficulties, you can change the server connections by activating the proxy. Default navigation app. You can change the default navigation app of your driver app to navigate directly with your preferred navigation app without having to choose the navigation app each time. How to chat or call driver support. At any time you can chat with our support team by tapping on live chat in the menu section, or you can use the call support button to call the support team. Here are some helpful tips and hints to make the most out of your delivery experience. Always arrive 15 minutes early at the sorting facility. Always greet recipients with a warm and friendly smile when delivering a package. It also gives you positive energy. In case the recipient is unhappy, never argue. Just contact the support team and we'll take care of it. Whatever happens, you get paid fully for the delivery, so there is no need to get angry. Handle the parcels with care. Always ensure that parcels are placed gently and not thrown on the floor. Congratulations, you became a fully trained FlashBox driver. Let's hit the road and start earning great money.